In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a professional itinerary using Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you are on the Canva homepage, go to the search bar at the top and type itinerary. Press enter and Canva will display many itinerary templates. Browse through the available templates and choose one that matches your style or the type of trip or event you are planning. Click on the template to open it in the editor. Next, start customizing the template. Click on the text boxes to edit the information. You can change the title, add dates, locations, times, and activities for your trip or event. You can also adjust fonts, colors, and layouts to match your preferences. If you want to personalize the itinerary further, you can add icons, photos, or your logo using the elements and upload sections. Arrange the sections so the schedule is clear and easy to read. Make sure the information flows in order so anyone viewing the itinerary can easily follow the plan. Once you finish editing, click Share and then Download. Choose PDF if you want to print the itinerary or send it digitally. That is how you create an itinerary in Canva.